Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how 97 to 04 Corvette white gauge set is installed. So here we got kind of just like one of the extras. It's got a little mess up. I'm going to pull this off. Actually, start by pulling the little needle stop pin. They just pull right out. Set it down. We're going to pull this off. We already have a white gauge installed on here, but it doesn't affect. Now what you want to do is kind of curl it, because you basically want to get it all the way up to the needle and push it underneath to slip the other side over. So we're going to go all the way to there. We're going to slip it under and then over the other side. So watch and learn here. Now I'm not really letting it touch, as less as I can, so you get that side over or under. And then see, like, that's how it should go, right there. Now, yeah, of course you'll get some little ding marks there. That's fine. Let's lift her up and flip her this way. Get her lined up. There you have it. I just installed it with this one. Since we can, this is a spare cluster. I'm just going to pull off the needle and yank this guy off. Put it back on for you and show you with this one. We're done with this. We can push it on. Usually I would press it down, then put it on. So here, we're just going to do the same thing. You want to bend it so you can get one side under and then the other side over. Push it down. If you need to, use a heat gun on, you'll get a little bow, just a tiny one. Use a heat gun on that. It'll push down. But other than that, that's how you install.